Welcome back to the Ketos YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a look into the world of SSL certificate monitoring, an absolutely essential practice in modern cybersecurity. Let's dive into what it is and why it's so important for safeguarding data transmission. SSL certificate monitoring involves continuous checking and validation of SSL certificates. It covers certificate expiry, configuration checks, vulnerability detection, and chain validation. Together, these ensure the integrity and security of data transmission. Think you can just ignore certificate monitoring? Big mistake! An expired certificate can lead to user warnings, or worse, your website becoming inaccessible. Here's a not-so-fun fact. Over 80% of organizations globally have faced certificate-related outages in just the past 2 years. SSL monitoring isn't just about expiry dates. It includes checking cipher strength, ensures protocols are up to date, optimizes server settings, detects vulnerabilities, and validates the entire certificate chain for absolute security. Concerned about the security of certificate monitoring itself? No worries. The right tools perform non-intrusive checks, use secure data storage, and help identify issues proactively. But what about the certificates you don't know about? That's where scanning certificate transparency logs comes in. CT log monitoring is the process of tracking all publicly issued certificates for an organization's domain to ensure that they are authentic, legitimate, and have not been compromised by malicious actors. So what's the TLDR here? SSL monitoring prevents downtime, maintains user trust, ensures compliance with industry regulations, protects against evolving cyber threats, and enhances your organization's overall security posture. When considering the right certificate monitoring tools for your organization, think about your specific needs, the vendor's expertise, and the overall value to your organization. That'll do it for today's session on certificate monitoring. See you next time. Check out this next video to learn more about getting started with Easy Monitor from Ketos.